Good morning, guys. How are you today? Okay, MJC. Um, I just wanted to say short on gold, but it was fast. It was fast. Enough. What happened? I was like, never mind. Textbook short, so what I want to say. Wow. Crazy. Wow. I'm just impressed. Guys, I was like textbook short here, and I entered with 2 micros. I was in trade for 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Well, I mean, that's all you need to know. Epic's done for the day. 2 micros. Well, turning off Apex, trading Lucid and Tradify then. Well, guys, let's trade another accounts. Apex was quite quick. 2 micros, $500. I mean, I wish I had this kind of days every single day. I could make 40k easier with payouts. I didn't even have chance to put partial. I was like, well, let me connect Apex, connected, and that's it. I just didn't even have time to do anything. I was in trade for 10 seconds. Whatever. I mean, perfect, but whatever. Let's see. It was quite quick. Apex done for the day. Can you describe? I trade only one model, guys. Nothing else. Low and high taken, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB entry. Wow, it was just crazy. Yeah, 1 entry. I entered with 2 micros, guys. 2 micro contracts. Well. Okay, let's trade on another account together. Perfect, but we need to trade together. Guys, I never change the strategy. I trade one strategy for 1 year. Happy, you know, guys, I'm scared to trade Apex. I don't know why I feel so stressed. So I place not going to on Apex. I trade once a week. I cannot trade more. I have psychological issue. I was aiming for 2R. I entered with 2 micros. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, let's wait for another step. I want to trade on Steam. You know, guys, I'm not sure if you noticed, but most setups happens around like 11:30, and it's so annoying because I clearly know what I would like to see from market, but this happens once I leave the Steam. I hate to take trades off stream, so we need to take trade together today. Let's ask market together, please. 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 Give us winning trade today on stream. Epic speed. Yes, I mean, guys, it's my second Epix accounts, second like 20 accounts, because I blew my 20 accounts back in August. So I passed them again in August as well for one day, and it's my second portion. I really, guys, not going to. I trade them once a week. I have hard time trading Epix. I feel like I'm a bit stressed to trade Epix. Guys, on Gold, we can trade another step, but continuation setup. Let's wait for continuation setup. I will execute with you. So, guys, London high taken. Let me see something. Like, I don't really interested in New York midnight open in terms of structure. Like, we didn't visit this level between 3 and 7 a.m. Like, not really. Yes, we got moves there to this level. Guys, what is your bias on ES? I kind of feel like I would like to see previous monthly low still. I'm not saying today, but would like to see lower. What I anticipate to get today, as you can see, NQ traded into for value gap. So at this point, I will probably anticipate longs as reaction for today. Well, I full ported Epix because Epix it's cheap, and I passed for one day. It was in August. I passed when it was 90% off, plus it was $80 activation fee, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I basically full ported, not going to lie. Peter, so my idea probably is going to be, since we're expecting far for value gap, I would like to see we going higher today, or at least during the AM session. Looking at SPX, probably we're going to open somewhere where we closed. So what I would like to see on SPX, I'm not sure how big RTH gap is going to be, but I will look for the test of 50% of yesterday move down. So yes, long totally possible. Long can be for 20, 30 points. Depends how big RTH gap is going to be. Of course, I wouldn't mind to get retracement down, but yeah, I would probably look for long today. We're gonna see. I somehow made $500 with 2 micros. It's not continuation setup, but good continuation lower. So guys, my target on goal today is to take this far for value gap, preferably to test 4,800. So if it's going to be continuation, I will look for something like that, I guess. But I would like to get this set up after market open. Not fun, it's going higher now. To be honest, wanted to see this after market open, but we will see. So we can see right now strong displacement above New York midnight open. Well, I'm bearish for the on high time frame as well. I don't mind to see previous monthly low. I'm okay to pump today. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday can be reversal profile. I'm not saying previous monthly low needs to be taken like this week. It can be taken next week. Yeah, strong closure, but once again, I don't mind to get a retracement. You think low the week is in? Well, normally, but not always. High or low of the week forms at Tuesday or Friday. So today can be potential retracement. But I know, guys, I truly believe it's not done with move down yet. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I don't know. I cannot see the future. Yes. London high taken, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. I always use exactly same strategy, guys. Yeah, by the way, share why you don't like Epics, because I didn't have problem with Epics. Even before I became affiliate with them, I never had problem with Epics. Sure, share with us what happened. Oh, no music. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn this on. And it's here now. Sorry about this. Silver buy? 1 second. Can you share with me why you're looking for buy? Where did you enter? Let's cover this. I don't mind to talk about, I will trade more today. It's not my last trade. I might take 3 or 4 more trades today. Why you decided to try to long? Let's cover this. Because I'm okay to trade silver on my lucid accounts. Micro silver, of course. Because TradingView, it's not my music on TradingView. So I have no idea which music they use. I use this one. It's good one as well, right? I covered model I trade on gold, yes, everywhere on my YouTube. Let me point you. I'm going to send you a link now. So model I trade, here's the link, but also I included backtest. Oh, trading drawdown. Oh yeah, I got it. Trading drawdown is just I probably, that's why I trade Take Profit Trader and Apex once a week, because of intraday drawdown. Seriously, guys. I don't think it's a sample, to be honest. Let me see. Do you have any recommendations for me? If you can recommend something, send me on Twitter or Discord or Instagram. I don't mind. I always listen to you guys if you have a recommendation for music, but like something like that. 3-4 trades. Yeah, let's try. I mean, cannot say for sure it's going to be 3 or 4 trades, but at least 1, yes. Third part. I mean, I sent link for strategy. Nothing to hide. I mean, it's just easier to watch the video with explanation and backtest rather than explain this in 3-4 minutes, because it's better to watch explanation. That's what I'm trying to say. Silver, unfortunately, you cannot trade on this chart. I don't know, but I'm not sure you can trade micro silver on Apex, unfortunately. All I know, you can trade micro silver on Lucid, Top Step, and Alpha Futures. In slow speed, I'm not sure it was fast. When I'm recording videos, I'm trying to record this slowly. Yeah, because if you're trying to trade mini contract on Apex, guys, you're just trying to blow your account. You're not trying to win. You're just trying to blow your account. I trade, when I would like to trade silver, I trade on Lucid, guys. Because Lucid allows to trade micro silver. I hope TradingView is going to add this option for us. No, it's fine, it's fine. You're very welcome. And trading Q Flex. Why you would like to try black? I mean, I'm not going to lie. In my humble opinion, Flex and Direct on Lucid way better. Because I probably didn't get the part that I was trying to read rules about Lucid Black. And maybe I didn't get the part they saying no buffer, but you need to make 3K on a 50K account to be eligible for payout. Isn't this buffer? Or I don't understand something. So it's just a bit confusing for me on Black, but I don't see this better than Flex, for example, or Direct. So I would go with Flex if you want to try Lucid to trade micro silver. I wouldn't go for Black. Transition faster to live. I mean, that's only benefit, I guess. Yeah, that's a buffer basically, but they're saying it's not buffer. I was like, maybe I don't understand something, but you need to make 3K and 50K to be eligible for payout, but you say no buffer. I was a bit confused with this. So, but Flex, Direct, way to go if you want to try Lucid. I have both Flex and Direct, I like both. But Flex is better, of course, because on Flex, you don't need to build the buffer. Seriously, you don't need to build the buffer. So, yeah. I highly recommend Flex from my personal experience. Direct, it has consistency rule. Not everyone love it, so Flex is the way to go if you want to trade micro silver, or select on TradingView if you want to have daily payouts. No, on Flex you don't need to build the buffer. You need to have minimum trading days. If I'm not mistaken, on 150K account it's going to be $250. 5 days with minimum profit day, like $250, and you can withdraw your money. Up to 3K on 150K account, and yeah, 3K, or 50% of your profit. Yes, I hope I'm not mistaken, because mostly I trade Direct Plan now. It's a bit different rules. Pro Lucid, okay. I don't see a huge difference between Pro Lucid and Black Lucid. So go with Flex if you want to try Lucid. Seriously, guys, I wouldn't go with any other plan on Lucid. Or if you're looking for plan on TradingView, go with Select. From my personal experience, guys. Yeah, consistency is not important for me as well. 3K, okay. Okay, guys, let's do top-down analysis for each instrument, and let's prepare analysis for each instrument. I mean, for potential setup for each instrument. So what I see so far, we're trading inside consolidation on silver. Let's start with silver, guys. We keep making new all-time high. We just almost hit 96. Obviously, psychological level is 100. Can't happen today, who actually knows? But what I'm watching here, we have 4 sweep, potential sweep, and this potential sweep was confirmed by 15-minute OB. Before Trump started speaking something, we got retracement up to the 50% of the solar block, right? Guys, I'm doing top-down analysis. Not sure about setup yet, just going to talk about this. So here's 15-minute setup based on 4-hour sweep. And as you can see, price respected 50% of this order block. So we have propulsion block now. So what else I can see? On 15-minute chart, we closed below New York midnight open. If I would like to trade continuation setup, basically last 4 candle here, third one, I need to get another order block on 15-minute chart. So which means if we can close below this level on 15-minute chart, let me hide candles. Hide it from candles, I don't need them. Up. If we're going to get the closure below this level on 15-minute chart, I would like to see maybe minor retracement back up to 50% of this OB, but preferable to stay below this level, then short. Short where? To this liquidity level. Partial over here. Liquidity. Final TP is over here. That's my plan. But since we don't have 15-minute order block to trade continuation, I'm going to stay flat. But if I will see a setup on silver, I will try short. That's plan. What will happen if it's not going to close below this level, below this sequence of up-close candles? We really need to break above 50% of this order block, which validates for our sweep right now. And if we are going to break and close above this level, we want to long. What level we are going to aim for, I have no idea. But probably it's going to be projections. Which projections? Also have no idea. I don't know, maybe it's going to be like this range between 2 and 2.5. Probably it's going to be something like this. We are going to get $1 move. Let me. I didn't know you were here and think himself. Well, that's for silver. Next plan. Let's switch on gold. Here's potential gold idea. What I see here. We got hourly and 30-minute sweep. So we want to see continuation setup, basically waiting for a new candle on 30-minute chart or hourly chart. So at this point, probably we are going to wait for hourly chart continuation. This means our setup, if it's going to be continuation lower, will happen at 10 a.m. and after 10 a.m. between 10 and 11. So for continuation lower, I want to see price not breaking this high, obviously. I want to see price respecting OT somewhere here. And if this happens, and at 10 a.m. it will stay inside this area, we'll offer 5-minute order block. We will try to short with target at London low and 50% of this for our untapped fair value gap. Also, it's 4800 level, like psychological level, round number. So when we have 30-minute and hourly sweeps, for the first setup, like when we're on the trading potential reversal, it's okay to use 30-minute chart. But when you're trading continuation, I know lots of people love to trade continuation, but I don't. For me, it's very risky trade compared to candle 2. I don't know why I feel this way. And when I see, especially when I'm looking for continuation, 3-minute order block offered from OT, but 5-minute chart still saying, not quite bearish yet, not quite bearish yet. I will try to wait for high time frame confirmation. So 3 and 5-minute chart, I will use 5-minute chart to trade continuation. If we have sweep on both 30-minute chart and hourly chart. So at this point, my plan is going to be if before 10, right before 10, like 950, 955, it's going to stay, not going to break this high, but it's going to stay in premium, OT retracement, and will offer 5-minute order block. We will try to short. I will try to short. London low and 4800. Honestly, I cannot trade continuation here because I simply don't have levels anymore. I have nothing yet. Logically, maybe makes sense to go to 4900, like psychological levels. Maybe. We are not that far from 5k, but honestly, for long, I don't have plan yet. If it's going to break high, retrace down, will offer potential sweep, we may look for potential, I don't know, manipulation legs and deviation projections. For long, I don't have plan just yet. Well, guys, what level you have on gold for target higher. Let me put them on my chart as well, because I don't see any just yet, but if you're going to recommend me something, I'm going to add on my chart. First one, at all? Yeah, at all. What else? I mean, yeah, all-time high is obvious, but it's going to be horrible risk reward. Maybe you have projections? Select daily. 3-7 play again. Yeah, see? Remember, range formation time window. I have 4900. What else? Which levels should I use for projections? Just trying to figure this out. Let's try to use extensions as well. Oops, this one. Yeah, it's going to be 4900 only if we will see longs. I don't see any other levels, guys. But once again, I'm just looking if it's going to break these highs. I mean, what happened next? I don't know yet. But for silver, you got my plan, right? We didn't get the closure on 15-minute chart. If it's going to break this level, we're looking for long to aim for 96.100. Next, the best. Oh, look at SPX. We got the open here. So I would like to see higher to 68.30. My plan destroyed. It just opened there. Plan was too long to 50%. It just opened there. What a scam. Whatever. Let's see. Let's say trace to RTH gap. Let's see what will happen next. Talking about ES and NQ. We took London high. Would like to see the tracement down. Would like to see the tracement down now. Back to discount and at least to take... It's not huge RTH gap. 50% of RTH gap. 62% of RTH gap. Then I will try to... I will start looking for the action. Guys, what is your bias? Share with me what you have on your chart. Oh, you got such a beautiful entry. Guys, also doing giveaway as always. Today is Tradify Select Evals. Okay. Disconnecting my Apex now. I don't need this anymore. We're going to trade Lucid and Tradify. Actually, no, I don't need Take Profit Trader because I trade Take Profit Trader once a week. I don't know why. I just feel a bit stressful when I trade with trade and drawdown, intraday trade and drawdown. Is it leader account? Leader account. Yeah, we will trade CPT and Lucid Flex. Cutest outfits. Thank you. Thank you. So we're still trying to respect New York midnight open on ES, which is cool, but I'm not fan of reaction on New York from New York midnight open on NQ yet. Look at this. Kind of strong break below this level. No closure, it's important. If it's not going to offer the closure but sweep, it can be continuation. Hello guys, good morning, who just joined. Good morning. I pinned the message, guys. If you would like to participate in giveaway for TradeView Select Plan, click pin message. Keeping my eyes on gold as well. Let me move like this, okay? We will trade gold together. We need to get set up. I feel confident today. We need to win. $25 minutes left. I mean, you know, it's trying to form 30-minute continuation setup here. Funded futures. No, I don't. It's trying to form continuation setup here exactly from OT. Let's see if it's going to be consolidate here until 10. If I'm not mistaken, we have news at 10 for X Factory. Yes, pending home sales. I'm not sure if it's going to affect gold somehow. Chris, agree with you. Not going to even argue about this. Here's SPX chart. We're still trying, kind of stuck, see? Didn't even test 25% of RTH gap. You know what I would like to see? Probably I would like to see something like this. I mean, OT is in reaction. I cannot say we got huge RTH gap, it's just normal RTH gap. It's not big one. And here's not set up when we're looking for 25% and liquidity level, because we just took higher from level already. Yes, you can trade micro silver on Lucid. You can trade like mini contracts on any prop firm, but micro silver is only Lucid, Top Step, and Alpha Futures. Am I right about this? I think so. Guys, is it too dark? Where is my focus? Is it too dark on the background? I need to add some light or no? Yellow folder. It still should offer some volatility. Is it too dark? I need to add some light? I did use light here and here. I guess I need to add here. I will fix this. Well, so far, honestly, hard to long, because I feel like it's going to be same chap as we got yesterday. Remember how we entered yesterday? It wasn't bad, but it was kind of like consolidation. So we need to take obvious levels first. Of course, we have giveaway. Look at pinned message in the chat. We always have giveaways. I guess I'm on the streamer who actually does giveaway every single day. So guys, I woke up with confidence that we are going to win today. I mean, trade I took not going to count as a win because it just for my account. I mean, it's not for it's not going to count because it wasn't taken on stream. It actually was, but I didn't have time even to say I see short. It was less than 10-second trade. Not going to count this. We need another trade. I'm ready. I noticed I started feeling okay to trade more than once a day. I guess because I have lots of fund accounts and I can actually divide them on trading pre-market, AM session, and PM session. So for example, I know like risk is like we have smaller risk before market open. I will trade, let's say, accounts with trading drawdown, intraday trading drawdown. Okay. For AM session, I know I have 150K accounts with good buffer. I will trade these accounts. For PM session, most of the time already done. I trade in my evals, or I'm trading accounts where I made more than $500. So I'm risking what I made above $500. If it was $700 or $800, I'm risking $200, $300 per trade to finish the day $500 at least. I don't like anything just yet. Gold, nothing. Silver. Where's silver? Silver, nothing. Let's wait. 5 minutes on gold. Okay, let me see. You want so long? I'm not fan of these huge wicks. I guess I'm not fan of gold if it's going to be long, because I don't have targets higher. It's really hard to trade all-time highs when you simply don't have levels higher. I have some, extensions and like OT extension level and psychological level, which lines up. It's like 4,900. But it doesn't mean we will go there, right? So for now, I'm not fan of gold. Hope ESNQ is going... I hope SPX is going to drop now. When gold inside consolidation, indices moving so well, so good. If it's going to hold this area, it can be potential short to aim for OT of RTH gap. We can get around like 10 points. Just scalp. $700. Yes, I know. My TradingView account's right now pretty big. So, it's around 12K right now on account, and I was like, time to increase size. Yes, I have 150K accounts and profits there around like 12K right now, and I was like, it's time to increase risk, because it's a big account, so I can afford, if I can say so, to risk more, if you understand what I mean. So I don't trade 100K accounts. I prefer 150K, and on Apex I have 50K accounts, guys, still, because let's say I'm going to blow them, but like one day this happens, maybe, I will switch to 150K accounts. Yeah, I met requirements finally. 9K, yes. I just made yesterday good profit. Finally. This happened. Took forever, honestly. It was hard. I'm not going to lie. 150K, it's really hard to build the buffer. But right now, my consistency is 16% and 18%. And profit is... good profit, actually. Let me disconnect these accounts. Good profit. Taking screenshot, guys, it's not even like Photoshop if you think something like that. One account is smaller, I'm not going to lie. One account is smaller because several days I didn't have, I couldn't, I don't know why, I wasn't able to copy my trades. It's fake, yeah. I'm quick at Photoshop, you know? Photoshop is so quick. It's my stats on Tradify. By the way, I'm not fan of sharing like my account sizes, how much I make on accounts, payouts and blah blah blah. But I just proud of myself how consistent I am, and I didn't blow accounts because I could. And on this account, I guess I never traded more than 5 micros. Yeah, that's why I never show. Yeah, gold. Yeah, watching gold after 10 a.m. to try to short if it's going to be 5-minute OB. We will try. So I cannot hold this order block. Not fun that SPX doesn't want to test even 25%. What a scam. Camera out of focus. 1 second. I guess that's because of my mic. Better? Ow. It's because of my mic, I guess. It's better? Yeah. Trying to find focus with something small. Okay. Trump started speaking at 8:30 a.m. today, I guess. Kind of BS price action so far. Come on, it's almost 10. Give us straight. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete OT. So many drawings, it's just annoying. Hello. Hearts did not going to lie. RCY just straight up, YM straight up. Yes, and Q just consolidating. Like, it's trying to go up, but it's just such BS right now. Okay. SPX took 50%. Our idea to long successfully failed. But I don't have plan for long right now. My plan was OT long. It could be OT here as well. Okay, let's wait for another opportunity. Right now, I don't really know what I would like to see. Because we could enter long from here and be done for the day. But no. Such a BS. Short on gold, we need to get 5-minute OB. Well, it's an interesting question about copying evals. Let's talk about this. From my experience, last experience was in August when I bought 20 accounts, Apex evals. And of course, I could pass this for like with one trade. But I divided this on groups. I guess it was 4 groups with 5 accounts. So first group I passed, it was on stream. I passed on stream scalping gold with a 1 mini contract. I got 4 scalps, I passed, it wasn't hard. Then I passed on NQ. I don't trade NQ, but I passed with NQ 2 groups. Just full ported them. Seriously full ported, not going to lie. Passed for a couple of minutes, and another portion was harder because it was last win. But I passed, I guess, on ES. But it was like, not best. A bit stressful. So yeah, it's psychologically hard for me to trade 20 accounts and pass accounts at the same time. 20 accounts at the same time. So I prefer divide on groups. But since you have 5 accounts, I guess it's not a problem. So I was passing 5 accounts, 5 accounts, 5 accounts, 5 accounts. So SPX is going to OT of yesterday move down. Oh, well, a bit disappointed because right now I really don't have plan. Peter, did you long? If you're still here. What's the size account? What kind of size? 50k accounts? Guys, on 50k accounts, I don't trade more than 3 micros. Seriously, on Epix, I don't remember a day when I traded more than 3 micros. Yeah, 2-3 micros. Build the buffer. 2-3 micros. Seriously. It's enough. Yeah, waiting for 10, guys. 5-minute OB and new hourly candle. I will try to short then. It's not short yet. I would like to trade continuation setup. It's still reversal candle here. Or retracement candle. Continuation setup is going to be this third candle. So, not yet. But kind of don't mind to trade gold. Guys, I'm trading, I have 20 funded Epix accounts, 50k with intraday trading drawdown. Static, Static is just, you don't have room for the drawdown. You cannot even like afford to trade 2 micros because it's too tight. So you need to aim for 2R, so I would say $300 and don't risk more than $150 at the beginning. So slowly start with this. 300 bucks is your target. Risk 150 a day, and just start with this. And consider your contract size based on this risk. 150 bucks. Yeah, you just long with no stop loss. Yeah, stop loss for losers. I don't know who uses stop loss. Hello, hello. I'm kidding, come on, don't take this seriously. Here is a gold. My idea is hourly continuation, 5-minute OB short to London low, and 4,800 for runner. What is stop loss? Yeah, seriously. What a stupid question. SPX is 62%. Keep going higher. Yes, we have 5-minute OB. And if it was hourly candle, new hourly candle, I would already short this. I cannot short this, come on. It's not continuation setup, that's the main issue. Do you have a digital journal? Yes. I will share my journal soon, guys. Completely for free. Can we see? Can we see what? It's not set up here for me. It's not continuation setup. It's nothing. But about digital journal, guys, not going to like make spoiler right now or something like this, but I'm working on journal right now, which is going to be completely for free. I'm going to follow my plan. I wouldn't say it's hard. If you're trading, for example, gold, it's only 10 points. Gold moves like 30, 40 points with one like move. It's enough. With Notion, of course not. It's going to be better. And I just took short on gold. It was before. I took short here and closed. I don't remember where I closed. It was on 3-minute chart. I entered here and closed here. That's the only trade I took so far. Waiting for another setup. Let's see what kind of reaction we are going to get from OT here. Not fan of indices right now, to be honest. Waiting for 10 to trade silver, both on gold. Maybe silver. Let me check silver real quick. Oh, look at... Why no one told me? Guys. We got 15-minute OB, immediate reaction. Here's our setup and play, and no one told me. Come on, we planned this. Well, I would like to see gold lower. Let's see. Watching silver lower as well. Sorry, guys. 3 minutes left on this hourly candle. Waiting for a new hourly candle to try. 5 minutes on gold? Yes, we got 5 minutes OB. Doesn't look bad, but it's not continuation setup. I guess that's the main problem. Market makers, I'm waiting for setup. Give me the trade, please. All we got is SMT at these lows and 3 minute OB. Like, in hindsight, of course, in hindsight, because it's really hard to say in real time. We could enter using this 2 minute OB because we got SMT. And still can go higher. Okay, I'm not fan of this. Let's extend these levels. Here's OT of RTH gap from yesterday. Because if no reaction from this OT of yesterday moved down, I would like to see 50% of RTH gap. That's my plan. 68, 91, 92. Okay, 1 minute left until 10. You trying to shorten Q? I'm not fan of trading like against the trend. Right now it's just going up. Can I see any setups for a short? Obviously not. Just be careful. Don't chase every single 1 minute pullback. 1 minute is, I don't know how guys you trade in 1 minute. How I traded 1 minute like last year or 2 years ago, I don't know. But I don't trust 1 minute chart. No, I'm not in trade. It's hindsight trade. I'm just saying it was sharp, but we got SMT, 2 minute OB, 3 minute OB. It's hindsight trade. I'm just looking. Finally, it's 10, guys. Let's see if we're going to stop on silver or gold. Continuation setup lower to London low and flower fair value gap here. Would like to see tracing back here. Yeah, guys, not fan of trading 1 minute chart. Plan is invalidate this OB, push slightly, maybe back to the top of this order block, and then 5 minute OB to short. It's only my plan. I'm not counting this as a continuation step. I'm going to count only new retracement and 5 minute OB. Yeah, I guess it's personal preference, seriously. Same pullback on silver. Since we got 50 minute OB, which confirms continuation. Did I ban? No, of course. He disappeared. I actually talked with him yesterday on Instagram. He was okay, I guess. Maybe he's busy, I don't know. My plan on silver, if it's going to retrace back up here, it's going to be continuation set up on forward chart. Right? Where to take at least liquidity here. We don't need a lot. So if it's going to be $1 move, I'm fine with this. Straight down. Of course, because you're shorting, right? Of course you want to see straight down. What about us? We're not in this straight yet. 10-minute chart? Yeah, lots of people, by the way, started using 10-minute chart. Why? I want to take trade on stream. That's why. Market makers. And the trading queue. Totally possible. We can take previous day high. Because it close to 50% of RTH gap. From yesterday. Somewhere here. Yeah, I agree with you about 15-minute chart. Yeah, gold a bit tricky, I'm not going to lie, but my plan's something like this. I would like to see silver retracement up, but for silver, very important to stay within 50% of this order block. 50% holding, maybe slightly below this level, which is perfectly fine. I will try to short the OB on silver. Not sure about stop loss, I will adjust this, but 1 micro. 1 micro on silver, because it's expensive to trade silver. No one. I mean, well, in hindsight looks good. Perfect setup for long. We got SMT in real time. It was like, well, my plan was completely like off today, I guess. I wanted to see long on ES. If it's going to drop to OT, I wanted to long. Did it happen? No. Which prop firm allows to trade micro silver? Lucid, Alpha Futures, and Topstep. Not sure about Topstep, I didn't check. But Lucid, yes. I trade on Lucid. Guys, keep in message in the chat if you would like to participate in giveaway for 50k select TradingView account. Click the link. Well, you know, guys, I'm not going to I'm affiliated with most prop firms, but I'm going to share my personal experience. Not going to push any prop firms at this point. My personal experience with payouts, rules, and so on. So best experience so far for the last 4 months since I started trading these accounts, prop firms, is TradingView and Lucid. It's my best experience so far. Also, I trade with Take Profit Trader. I trade with Epix, with Funded Next. I used to trade with FundingTX, but they closed my account because of inactivity rule, and which was stupid because I didn't trade for 7 days because it was like Christmas holiday, and I wasn't in front of my computer these days. I know it's my fault, but they closed this, and I didn't try anymore. What else? I have account with Alpha Futures. I didn't even start this yet, but I bought this account, guys, with Alpha Futures, and I got 2 accounts. I got one account with Funded Futures Network, and I got one account with TradeZella. So far I have 3 brand new evals and 3 brand new prop firms for me because I didn't trade with them before. Is Alpha Futures, Funded Futures Network, and TradeZella. So guys, I will share my experience with them. Not going to recommend something yet because I don't know yet, but I'm going to trade. I will let you know how it goes. Alpha Futures, Funded Futures Network, and TradeZella. I got 1 account each, just to try, to see how it goes, and I will buy more, if it's great. TradingView Select plan is way to go. Select plan on TradingView, because of daily payouts. Silver going good right now. Let's see if it's going to play offer my setup. Legends. I have 1 account with Legends. Didn't take any payouts yet. Okay, yeah, looks good. Why not Lucid? Perfect prop firm, guys. Top 2 Lucid and TradingView. But I guess reason because TradingView a bit longer on market. Like it has a bit more trust, right? But guys, Lucid perfect prop firm, no complaints. Just not even 1 year here. Once again, I'm trusting this prop firm like 100%. It's amazing prop firm. I'm trading with them. I'm highly recommend them. But in terms of like how long prop firm on the market, TradingView Select plan, just my recommendation. But yeah, if you want to trade micro silver, yeah, Lucid Flex, way to go. I wouldn't recommend Lucid Black. I just don't see this account is better than Flex, to be honest. Flex, way to go. Easy rules, pretty much the same. I would say the only difference between them is one-time fee and monthly fee. Lucid TradingView they have pretty much similar rules, in my opinion. I don't see huge difference. No easier rules or harder rules. It's the same. Yes, you need to pay monthly fee on evaluation account on TradingView. 4 accounts. Why you went with pro accounts? Like, serious question. Because Flex is way to go. You don't need to build the buffer. Why people picking Black or Pro over like Flex? I don't understand. I would try to buy 10, 15 Flex evals to have them as a reserve for me, because I really like this plan. A long time ago. I'm trading for almost 4 years, and I trade in prop firms for almost 3 years. No, already 3 years. My very first prop firm was Edit Trader Funding. I don't remember exact name. I was funded with them, but I never ever got payout. I had 4 accounts or 3 accounts with Edit Trader. 3 only was, and I blew them, and 1 funded, but never got payout, just blew this account. Then I switched to Apex. I was with Apex for the long time. Seriously, I traded Apex only for 6-7 months. Then I added another prop firms. It was... What it was? Don't remember. But it was. It was Take Profit Trader, I believe. Who is spamming? Do you still like Apex? Yeah, of course. I still have 20 funded accounts. It's just new accounts, but it's not new accounts. It's like 3 months, 4 months accounts. So we're trying to respect OT. That's great. Let's see if we can invert fair value gap on 5 on SPX can close below this level. We can finally take this RTH gap. I will try to short. How's it going, Alex? Good so far. Waiting for setup. No trades yet. On stream. No, Lucid, it's one-time fee. So you pay just once, and that's it. You don't need to pay activation fee, and just one-time fee for evaluation. Yeah, I need signal as well. Come on, brain. Give me the signal. I need to trade. I trade with Apex and Take Profit Trader once a week. It's really hard to trade 20 accounts at the same time. Plus, I still have... once again, I have wins, I have losses on this Apex account. So far it's good in profit, but on some accounts I still have intraday challenge drawdown, and it's annoying. So because of intraday challenge drawdown, I cannot... When I'm trading, I feel stressful. Seriously. So when I trade end Tuesday drawdown, I never feel stressed. I'm just okay. Also, this account's 50k accounts, and I cannot risk a lot on these trades. Trading 1 micro, I don't see setups like often to trade 1 micro when I anticipate to get the straight move up or down. So yeah, it's a psychological issue. Funded futures network. Media. Okay, yeah. Let's see how it goes with Funded Futures Network. I will share my experience, guys. Give me like 1 month or 2 months to see how it goes. Yeah, it will be removed after buffer. Basically, once you up your drawdown plus $100, it removed. Oh, still nothing. It's already 10:14. Guys, I have an appointment today at 11, so I will finish at 10:50. So we have, like, at 10:50 I will announce winners. We have 30 minutes to enter the trade. Come on, market makers, I don't have time. Let me set, I can forget. Going to set right now alarm at 10:50 so I can announce winners. 10:48 a.m. Okay. Apex commission is too low, like seriously too low. I'm surprised because, for example, if I'm not mistaken, TradingView commission with 1 mic, I need to pay $1.80 per contract. And for 1 mini contract, commission is $5 or so. Apex commission is too low, like it's seriously less than $1 for 1 contract, mini contract, micro contract. Yeah, market makers, set up. Please, I'm ready. I'm ready to kill this market. Just give me textbook setup. It's not about the money, it's about setup. By the way, guys, if you forgot to remind you, Select and Growth right now running 40% off. TradingView running 40% off on these plans. So if you want to try 40% off, valid until, let me check until what day, I guess tomorrow. No, guys, it's going to end tonight. So if you would like to try to TradingView Select or Growth evaluations, I recommend Select over Growth. 40% off, sale is going to expire tonight. So it's a great sale. Okay, guys, looking good so far. Let me switch on 5-minute chart. Come on, baby, give me 5-minute OB. Don't be shy. Just 5-minute order block. How many 5 accounts? 5 fund accounts with Lucid, 5 fund accounts with TradingView. Come on, baby, don't be shy. TradingView, I went with Select 150k. It's personal recommendation. So yeah, highly recommend them. If you only started trading with prop firms, I start with 50k just to see how it goes, if you like it, if it's a good size for you or you need bigger accounts. Wait, what? Potential 17-point stop loss. 17-point stop loss. Sounds so good. 17-point stop loss. To make 20. You just saw this. 2 micros is the way to go. Since I'm going to trade take profit trade, I will trade 2 micros because it's 50k accounts. How much is going to cost you? Let's see. It's going to cost you $83. For gross evaluation, it's going to cost you $95 for Select. Well, guys, let's focus a little bit. Here's... No. Wait. Here's my setup idea. Oops. Yesterday I got 2 trades with gold. It was, both trades were like 1.5, 1.3 R. Oh my god. Continuation setup based on hourly is here. 5-minute OB. Forget about this. Scammers. No, wait. Come on, what are you doing? Well. Okay. Got it. Taking notes on you. Scammers. Guys, any other ideas? No plan anymore, again. Scammers. Silver, are you kidding me? Both. Well, guys, our 5-minute order block was offered just now. Do you want to enter for 1 tick profit, risking 30 points? Perfect. Market makers not loving me today. -4 hour. Yes. At the same time, silver actually offered OB. Let me see how big risk reward is going to be. Would be 1.3. Well, disappointed. Such a good plan was destroyed. Guys, it's because of you. You didn't ask market makers. You have to respect them. They will give you setup. Well, another plan. I don't have plan. Final levels 4800. You know what is annoying, guys? Waiting for continuation setup on hourly for 1 hour and not to get setup. I mean entry. It's so funny. You go out and go to spa. No. No. Yeah, I have a appointment today at 11, but it's not about like spa or self-care or something like this. Okay. I was like, 10 a.m. will be set up for short. We're waiting for 10 a.m. Just wasting of time. Well, what next? I will look for setup on ESN. Inversion plus closure below this level short. Oh, keep dropping. Are you kidding me? I'm just asking. Gold and silver, right? Well, we just didn't see, but actually, silver offered order block on 5. We just blind. Never mind. Oh, never mind. I'm blind. It didn't. It was 3-minute chart. I mean, on 3-minute chart we got OB as well, but it's not what we wanted to trade. I wanted to trade. I want to trade continuation. 5-minute OB could be continuation setup. Now it's going to drop to 4,800. It could be our runner on this trade. Oh my god. My god. We could get, guys, 50 points. I mean, I already got 27 points before. What is going on? Right? Right? Yes, for continuation. I explained why I was using 5 minutes for continuation. Congratulations, who took this. What did you use for your entry? Share with us. What did I miss? I definitely missed something. What I missed? I mean, I already shorted before, but I closed. I shorted from here all the way down to here. But what did you use for entry? 3-minute OB? Why? So basically you traded continuation on 20-minute chart. I swear to God, guys, every single time when I test, when we have sweep on 30-minute chart and hourly chart, and I test 30-minute continuation and not waiting for hourly continuation, I always get stopped. Always. Keyword, always. But when I'm like, okay, I backtested this, I know if I'm going to trade 30-minute continuation and not waiting for hourly continuation, I'm going to stop. And when I follow these rules, it always offers A+ setups. Always. Market maker decided she's too confident today. She didn't deserve to get like money here on this perfect textbook short. Got it. 666, that's nice. Oh, I see, yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Only accounts I traded today, it was Epic's accounts. I shorted over here for like almost 30 points. And I made $524. That's the only trade I took today so far. Another short could be from 5-minute OB, as we discussed before, but no? They said F you guys. They wanted to short. Haha. So 1 minute displacement and took it. Okay. I don't feel FOMO, I just feel disappointed right now. Disappointed with wasting of my time because all morning I just waited for this setup. And not to get the setup feels a bit sad. Yeah, also, I mean, okay. It's impossible to get every single move. It's only 10:27. Okay, let's see where I can get another trade. Let me check Euro futures. Euro futures sold on 15-minute chart. Textbook market maker sell model. RTY doesn't look bad for the retracement down. Euro futures was amazing today. RTY doesn't look bad to retrace back to 26.76, 77 area on RTY. On YM, just consolidation, but still bullish. CL, don't like CL yet. Just, guys, I'm okay to trade different markets. I just don't see setup anywhere right now. Would like to see RTY lower. Let me show you why. So I'm watching the test of this week's here. We got perfect rejection here. Nice candle here. I would like to see we going down now. Not a lot, but somewhere here. Alex, don't say this. Delete this message. If I could take every single good move, I was in this trade, but it wasn't presented opportunity. It didn't present opportunity. Just it is what it is. Where's draw on what market? On gold, it took my levels. Like possible retest of 4,800 is psychological level. Also, it's 50% of our fair value gap. Today alpha accounts. No, today we are going to do select plan. I will do alpha futures giveaway, but not today. This is thank you so much. Thank you for support. Guys, click the like. Click the like, let's do more giveaways. It helps the channel to grow faster. Click the like. Do-do-do. You okay? Yes. Just trying to say it to myself. It's okay, Dasha. You're doing good. Hello, hello. Going good so far. Waiting for the trades. For setup. Anything on gold? Only this one. Not this one, this one. That's pretty much it, nothing else. It was perfect plan, which failed. For so long. It's not my natural color. I'm like blonde, but it's like dark blonde, if you can say so. It's a bit like warm color. Right now, it's blonde, but it's like cold color. So yeah, it's not my natural color. To trade continuation, so basically it's same exact strategy. So let's talk about this. Normally I trade reversal, potential sweeps. So basically it's second candle of swing point. So swing, right? And if you're talking about swing high, we have lower high, higher high, lower high. So basically three swing like this. Let me show you on here. We have swing here, right? Swing high is over here. We have lower high, higher high, lower high here. Right? What else? Nothing else. So I'm trading candle 2. So basically this potential sweep. In order to confirm this potential sweep, I need to have order block on lower time frame. How to figure out which time frame I need to use? You need to use time frame alignment chart. So if it's hourly potential sweep, we're using 5-minute OB to confirm the sweep. If it's 30-minute sweep, we're using 3-minute chart to confirm the sweep. 3-minute OB. But when we have both hourly and 30-minute sweep, I usually execute 30-minute chart when I'm trading potential sweep, so basically second candle. But when I'm trading continuation, third candle, I'm waiting for 5-minute confirmation, basically hourly continuation. And at this point, yeah, it's the same. Yes, Alex, it's the same. That's the same. Okay. I'm waiting for continuation lower. It's third candle on hourly chart. In order to confirm this, we need to get 5-minute OB, 5-minute OB, short. It was the plan. But let's say we didn't get hourly sweep, we got only 30-minute sweep. I would use continuation 30-minute sweep. I hope it makes sense. In my opinion, too, candle 2 is much more easier. I'm not fan of trading continuations. It's just me. I'm not fan of this. I feel like lots of people keep saying candle 2 is risky, but in my opinion, trading continuation is it has much more risk compared to candle 2. It's my opinion. You got greedy because you down $400 from yesterday on this 50k futures disk. Okay, got it. Yeah. I mean, personal preferences. I just feel more comfortable trading reversal, not continuation. It's me. Yes. Time frame alignment here. I'm going to right now type on screen. You can take screenshot if you want. I guess it's personal preference, guys, once again. H4 FR chart. H1 hourly chart. M15 15-minute chart. M30 30-minute chart. M3 3-minute chart. Also, you can use this one, but personal, I don't use 15-minute chart because I'm not fan of trading 1-minute charts. But here's time frame alignment chart. Let me make this bigger for you guys. Oh, I cannot. Okay. Take screenshot if you want. Yeah, silver, nice drop. I totally agree with you. Setup itself pretty much easy and straightforward. It's not really hard to trade this. But you need to get confirmations to execute this setup. And I have different confirmations and I use different levels for confirmation to trade this setup. So levels I covered in my videos about OT retracement and New York Midnight Open. So most of them I use these 2 points. New York Midnight Open and OT retracement to look for confirmation to trade this setup. Our chart, yeah, I guess it works, yeah. If not mistaken, MMXM Trader, he uses 50-minute chart for daily, right? I think so. Yes. It's just flying. I would like to see even more. What I'm waiting for is to break this buy side on SPX. Nice move up here, but once again, just pretty much straight move up. Oh yeah, of course. This one? Monthly candle, daily structure, weekly candle, for structure, and so on. Take screenshot, I'm going to show you something right now. Did you take screenshot? I'm going to show you something. I hope so. Well, guys, right now you can switch. We have different options right now. Let me hide this. You can find free indicators. For example, you can use this one. It calls TTM, high from candles overlay, power of 3. Let me send the link in the chat first. Oops. Let me send you link in the chat. Here's the link. Go to settings. And you can use... Let me make sure once again. No, not like this. Okay, not this one. It didn't change settings. Use this one then. Okay, use this link. Let me add this link to my chart. I'm going to go through settings with you guys right now. I'm going to hide drawings from here. So what you want to use here? You go into settings here and using time frame alignment chart. Once again, when you use 3-minute chart, you need to have 30-minute candles on the right side. When you're using hourly chart, this means you're going to execute on a 5-minute chart. If you're going to execute on a 15-minute chart, you need to add 4-hour candles. I don't really use this, I don't need this, but just for information, I can have this on my chart. So for example, what I can see here, here's 4 candles. We got sweep here, right, on 30-minute chart. So this means using time frame alignment chart that I showed you before, over here. Let me do this one second. Do you have any drawings here? No, perfect. Using this time frame alignment chart, we know if we have 30-minute sweep on 30-minute chart, we need to switch on 3-minute chart and confirm this by 3-minute OP. So we got sweep over here, right? Everyone can see this. Let me extend for you to show you. Right. So right now I see potential sweep. Can I say for sure it's sweep until we get the closure? Of course, no. I cannot say it's going to be sweep or it's going to be closure above previous candle high. But I can at least predict potential sweep. How? By using lower time frame chart. This means if we have potential sweep, keyword potential here, I'm going to use 3-minute chart and I will see if we got 3-minute OB or not. So to confirm the sweep, can I say we got OB here? Yes, of course. So my idea is to trade this potential reversal right after we got the order block. I'm going to enter at the open of next candle. I'm going to put my stop loss at swing high and I'm going to aim for 2R. 2R, it's personal preference, guys. Once again, you don't need to execute based on 2R only. You can aim for liquidity level. You can aim for any level you like. Just to show you, it's not like hindsight or something like this. I seriously use this approach. Over here, let me show you. Switch on 3-minute chart on Ninja Trader, and I'm going to show you now. Did I execute the setup? Yes. I entered. It's impossible to enter right at the open because it's moving fast. I did my best to enter right at the open. My stop loss was here, was aiming for 2R. See? And I use this setup every single day. I didn't trade any other setups. Exactly same approach for hourly sweep. If we have hourly sweep, we need to switch on 5-minute chart and wait for exactly same idea. 5-minute OB, entry, and so on. So guys, don't forget to click the like for mini lesson. I will appreciate this. For high time frame candles, 5 each. 30-minute, hourly, and 4 chart. I mean 5 each. It's enough. So, any other questions? I'm watching markets right now, just don't see setup yet. Yes, just straight move up. Ask questions about setup. It really is. Just train your eyes. It's really simple. It's really simple, guys. It's really simple like this. Normally, I use sequence of candles. But you can use the very first candles that touch high time frame level, if you want. Guys, if you need candlesticks color, I can show you here. Just let me know what you need from settings on this indicator. I'm going to share. How about high time frame key levels? So it can be order block. I don't use like breaker blocks. I don't use like rejection blocks. I don't use... What is this? Let me close this once again. I don't use all possible PD rays. Personally, I use order block and fair value gap, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, and hourly chart. It's like levels for me. Also liquidity levels, such as London high, Asia high, basically session liquidity levels. Yeah, guys, I trust model because I trade this every single day for 1 year. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not just explaining the strategy, I simply trade this. You like twice? Thank you so much. About daily bias using this approach, I guess I have this video on my YouTube channel. 1 second. It calls what's this one? Let me yeah. Guys, here's a video how to use this approach for market maker model, basically intraday bias. Send you link. Sweep, I mean, it's not going to happen like within a couple of minutes. You have 30 minutes to form the sweep, right? SPX volume profile, not yet, but I covered OT retracement, which is very important, which is a big part of my trading. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, any other questions? Ask questions, because right now market does not want to provide good setups on ES and Q, just straight move up so far. And I have 5 more minutes to talk about something. So sometimes I flip my bias based on validation of setup. It's fine. Sometimes I don't have bias at all. This happens. So 30 minutes candle, it can be at 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30. I would say best setups on goals happens before PM session. 12 is like last time. Gold now. Guys, 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. What I think about gold now? I would like to see still lower. I'm not sure how deep retracement can happen now, but I would like to see 4,800 still. What do you mean by 2 up close candles to enter? I don't really understand. Can you give me example? SPX took buy side. You're very welcome, guys. So guys, 10 more minutes to enter giveaway. If you would like to participate, pinned message in the chat. I'm going to right now switch to my site and connect giveaways. Okay. Where's giveaways? Where's giveaways? Over here. Okay. All right. $350K, select daily, select Tradify account. For high different bias, normally I don't really go for on daily chart daily, because I don't really need to see this. Daily doesn't really change much every single day. So I start my day with 4 chart. I'm looking for fair value gaps, OBs, and so on. Right, guys, 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. Talking about journaling, guys. Yeah, I need to finish soon. Talking about journaling, right. Once again, guys, I am working on something really cool for everyone to use. So I promise you're going to like this. So you'll be able to journal your trades, track your performance soon for completely free. It's going to be really cool stuff. I've worked on this for 3 months, working on app. It's almost done. It's basically done. I'm just testing this with my accounts, how it works, if it shows right data. I compare with other dashboards just to see it works same way. It's already same way, but I have some issue which need to fix. But I promise until the end of this month, I will post everything and everyone will be able to use it. So guys, 50 seconds to enter giveaway. So it's not basically app, it will be a web browser, but you will love it. I'm not sure if I can create actual app. I guess it's hard, but I don't know. It's already completely done, just testing this. Don't want to give you this site simply because I didn't test enough. It works so well, I compared lots of data there, but I need to improve something. Working on this. It's also funny, guys. Okay, I'm going to announce this right now. When people call me influencer, but I cannot call myself influencer because I don't sell anything. I do everything for free for people, really trying to help them. Call me influencer. I mean, like, I wouldn't call myself influencer or something like this. How to analyze bias? I already have What is actually influencer, seriously? Because I cannot call myself influencer compared to other influencers because I'm not like them. Most of time today, I guess it's because of Mike. I guess it's because I changed my mic position yesterday. Well, let's do giveaway. Guys, if you're in the chat, I'm going to say your name. You need to say, "Hey, it's me. I'm here." Okay, okay. Let's pick first winner. Oh, my back. Oh. And first winner. I cannot pronounce your name, but I'm going to type this in the chat and tell me, are you in the chat now? Yay! You fast. So you won a 50k select Tradify evaluation. I will send you account today. Next winner. Guys, you fast today. I really like it. Legend reach 1. Are you here? Your name looks familiar. Let me see your picture. Are you here? Hello. Legend reach. I feel like I saw your name before. You have 30 seconds to say I am here. "15 seconds to say I'm here. If not here, then sorry about this. Well, Lewis Pond 6025. What about you? Are you with us today? Who responded? I don't see. Oh. No, I don't see. Do we have this winner in the chat? I don't see. I guess I'm blind. No? 1 second. I'm blind. She responded. So previous legend Rich responded on time or not? If so, I removed your name. Can you please send me message? On time? Legend. What's the name? Legend. What's your name? I lost this. Too late. I'm gonna give it to him. Yes, Legend Rich. Can you please send me message? I removed your name. Can you please send me message if you can? I need your message. I removed your name. And here's our last winner. Do we have you in the chat? Yeah, I found him. Okay, I'm not going to read your names, guys. I see you. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We got 3 winners. I need to go. I have appointment in 4 minutes. I need to go, guys. I will see you today at 1 p.m. on TradingView TV. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for subscribing and likes. I really appreciate this, guys. See you in 2 hours on TradingView TV to trade PM session together. Wish you good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes. Love you guys. Bye, everyone.